Good morning student, welcome back in this class. Today I am going to discuss about the rational number. Under the previous session we have completed the concept of the integers, division and fraction, of the multiplication, data handling, linear equation, triangle and the congruent triangle. In this sequence we will discuss about in this video, that is the rational number. Before the starting of the rational number, we will discuss about some important term which is related to the rational number. So let us start the first number in the number system, that is the natural number. Natural number. So here is the number line. And as you know that on the number line, all the number of the right side of the zero, all the number 1, 2, 3, 4, all the number right side of the zero, the sign of the number will be positive, and left side of the zero on the number line, the sign will be negative. So here it is clear that after the right side on the number line, the all numbers will be positive, and left side on the number line all number will be negative. So regarding the natural number on the number line, natural number is counting number, adding one by itself, the next number is obtained, and starting from the 1, that is called the natural number. Now next is the whole number. Whole number means all the natural number together with 0, that is called the whole number. So here is the natural number starting from the 1, and all the natural number together with 0, the whole, that is whole number. And now next is the integers. So as you know that on the number line, the numbers represent on the number line, that is the positive, negative and 0. So integer. So here the integer, all the positive, negative and 0 are the set of the positive number, negative number and 0. That is called the integer. So it is clear that on the number line all the negative, positive and 0. The set of the positive, negative and 0, that is called the integer. So now let us start the definition of the rational number. Rational number. Rational number. So here it is clear that rational number, as you know that the rational number in the form of p by q, and where q is not equal to 0, rational number in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, that is called the rational number. For the example here, suppose that 2 is a rational number, because we can write the 2 in the form of rational, that is 2 by 1. So it is satisfied the p by q, and where the q is not equal to 0. So here the denominator will be is 1, then 2 is a rational number. 0 is also rational number, because this can write in the form of p by q. So here is we can write here 0 equal to 0 by 1. Then this satisfies on the rational number. Here is the q equal to not 0, q equal to 1. So in this sequence the first question of the exercise 9.1. That is the first question of the exercise 9.1. Question number 1. Exercise 9.1. So first question, write the numerator and denominator each of the following rational number. The first question here, write the numerator and denominator of each of the following of rational number. Question number 1, page number 123. Then minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. So write the numerator and denominator each of the following rational number. So it is clear that here is the 7 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Okay, it is clear. Next, express as integer. So question number 2, express as integer. Question number 2, express as integer. So here the question number 2, that is 6 by 1. 6 by 1. Then express as integer. 6 by 1 is, that is 6 by 1 equal to 6. Then 6 is the integer and 6 by 1 is represented as the rational number. So now the next is the exercise 9.2. Here the first question of 9.2, that is question number 1 on the page number 103. Question number 1, page number 130. The first question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So here the minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7 equal to 49 by 54. So fill the numerator here. The first and second, minus 3 by 7 equal to, suppose that here the value of x, numerator is x, then x by 49. Then cross multiplication here, or in the second method, compare between the denominator. Compare between the denominator or cross multiplication in both from the first and second. Then minus 3 into 49 equal to 7 into x. Then x equal to minus 3 into 49 by 7. Then x equal to minus 3 into 7. That is the value of x equal to minus 21. So here is the value of numerator, that is minus 21. Now here is the denominator. In the place of denominator is given at 4, and what is the value on the place of the numerator? So comparison between the minus 3 by 7 and 84. Then minus 3 by 7 equal to, and suppose that the numerator is y then y by 84. In the above situation, cross multiplication here, then minus 3 multiply 84, minus 3 into 84 equal to 7 into y, then y equal to minus 3 into 84 by 7. Then 84 divided by 7 is 12. Then y equal to minus 3 into 12, then minus 36. So here is on the place of the numerator, that is the minus 36. Minus 36. Now the next question, write the equivalent rational number of minus 3 by 7. Next question. Question number 3. Write the equivalent rational number of minus 21. Write the equivalent rational number of minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7 with the following denominators. Question number 3, page number 103. Page number 130. Clear? Write the equivalent rational number of minus 3 by 7 with the following denominators. So equivalent of rational number of minus 3 by 7 and the following denominators are given. The first is the minus 21. Minus 3 by 7, that is, and the denominators are, following denominators are given. So here is the first denominator is, that is minus 21, minus 21. Then get the equivalent rational number. So now suppose that the numerator of this fraction, that is x, then cross multiplication here, then minus 3 into minus 21 equal to 7 into x, then x equal to minus into minus plus, then 3 into 21 by 7, that is 3, then the value of x equal to 3 into 3, 9. Okay, it is clear that the equivalent rational number, equivalent rational number of minus 3 by 7, the equivalent rational number minus 3 by 7 is equal to same as the 9 by minus 21, 9 by minus 21. So now the next question is here. Express the following rational number with the positive denominator. Question number 5. Question number 5. So here is the question number 5, page number 130. So express the following as rational number with the positive denominator. The first question is given here, 5 by minus 6. 5 by minus 6. So the following rational number with the positive denominator, the sign of the here, the denominator, the sign of the denominator, that is the negative sign. So it will be changed in the form of the positive sign. Then the multiply the negative sign, both the numerator and denominator. So we can write here the multiply minus into 5 into minus into minus 6 multiply multiply by negative sign in numerator and denominator. Okay. Then minus multiply by 5, that is minus 5 minus 2 minus, it will become plus 6. Then the minus 5 by 6. Okay. Now the next question is here. Question number question number 9. Express the following rational numbers in the standard form. Express the following rational number. Express the following rational number. Express the following rational number. Rational number in the standard form. Standard form. So here is the first question is given. Question number 9, page number 130. The first question is here given. 4 by 16. 4 by 16. So here the standard form of this rational number. Then the first step here we can write the standard form of this rational number. First step, the find the SCF of the numerator and denominator. Then divided by the numerator and denominator by the SCF. So here is the first SCF of 4 and 16, that is 4. Then divided by the SCF on the numerator and denominator both. Then 4 by 16. Then 4 divided by the SCF 4 and it is 4. Then 1 by 4. Now it will become the standard form of the 4 by 16, that is the 1 by 4.